What's the meaning of airing? Airing. 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 Airing.
Airing refers to the process of allowing fresh air to circulate through a space, such as a room or a building. This can be achieved by opening windows, doors, or vents. The result of airing is improved air quality as stagnant or stale air is replaced with fresher air. Airing can also help regulate temperature and humidity levels. Additionally, it can reduce the concentration of pollutants and allergens in the air, promoting a healthier living environment. Overall, airing is an important practice for maintaining indoor air quality and promoting health and well-being.